Welcome to our educational video on the third law of motion by Sir Isaac Newton. In this video, we will dive into the fascinating world of forces and interactions, uncovering the principles, examples, and real-life applications of Newton's third law of motion. Let's start. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that any force exerted on an object will have an equal force exerted back on the object in the opposite direction. To better understand this law, let's explore some visual examples. Consider the example of a book resting on a table. As the book applies a downward force equal to its weight on the table, in turn, exerts an equal and opposite force on the book. Similarly, when a rocket propels itself forward, the exhaust gases are expelled backward with great force. This creates the reaction force that propels the rocket in forward direction. Forces are interactions between objects that cause changes in their motion. They can be contact forces, such as pushing or pulling, or non-contact forces, such as gravitational or magnetic forces. Newton's third law tells us that these forces always occur in pairs. If object A exerts a force on object B simultaneously exerts an equal and opposite force on object A. Newton's third law has numerous real-life applications that we encounter every day. Let's explore some examples. When you walk, your foot pushes against the ground, and the ground pushes back with an equal force, propelling you forward. This is the principle behind walking and running. In sports, such as swimming or rowing, the action of pushing against the water creates an equal and opposite reaction force, allowing athletes to move through the water. Newton's third law is closely related to the concepts of momentum and conservation of energy. Let's explore how these concepts tie in with the third law. The conservation of energy states that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transferred or transformed. Newton's third law ensures that when forces act in opposite directions, the total energy of the system remains constant. As we conclude our exploration of Newton's third law of motion, we have gained a deeper understanding of the principles of forces and interactions, witnessed real-life applications, and connected this law to concepts like momentum and conservation of energy. Thank you for joining us on this educational journey of the third law of motion. We hope you have found this video informative, engaging, and inspiring. Remember, the next time you encounter an action, be prepared for the equal and opposite reaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care of yourself and stay tuned for more upcoming content.